baby. How are you? How did you feel last night? Did you sleep well? Oh yeah, you said yeah, right? Look at you. You seem to like this grass, even though it's a little bit short, but still can keep the cow going with additional feed. Today we are installing additional solar for pumping, hoping to irrigate this grazing field and let the cow to go outside of this grazing land for a while to let the grass restore itself and the soil to regenerate. It's not the best grass, but it still can do its job for our 30 cows, something 36 over the area of 6 hectares or more. We do open grazing for all the area, and this season we plan to separate it block by block so that the grazing area is not overgrazed and the soil has time for itself to regenerate and the grass can grow quicker. I think that will be more efficient, and we can increase the cow population. These are the local Cambodian breeds. They are very much resilient to the climate, and you see even with very short, very degraded grass, they still can enjoy. So this is one of the advantage of raising local breeds. However, their body structure is not quite big, making them to be not meaty. I mean, the weight is not quite big, so we are hoping that we can breed with Brahman or some other breeds to improve the body structure and the weight of the cows, keeping their local climate resilience the same, and we hope to improve. Okay, thank you for watching. Follow for more